Looking for a versatile switch panel that keeps your vehicle's electronics organized and protected? This multifunctional 12 volts, 24 volts switch panel combines convenience and safety in one compact design. With dual USB ports, a digital voltmeter, a 12 volts outlet, and 5 rocker switches, it's built to handle a variety of electrical needs with ease. What sets this panel apart is its real-time LED voltmeter, giving you constant feedback on your system's voltage. Plus, it comes pre-wired with a 15A fuse, offering reliable protection against overloads, overcurrent, and short circuits. That means you can trust it to safeguard your devices while you're on the road or water. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-wired design and included mounting screws. It fits universally across 12 volts to 24 volts systems, making it perfect for cars, trucks, UTVs, ATVs, RVs, boats, and even airplanes. Whether you're upgrading your vehicle or outfitting a marine craft, this panel adapts to your setup without hassle. Durability matters, especially in tough environments. That's why this panel is IP65 waterproof, featuring a splash-proof board and water-resistant caps. It performs reliably in marine settings, resisting moisture and ensuring long-lasting operation wherever your adventures take you. The package comes ready to install with the pre-wired switch panel, DIY stickers for easy labeling, and 4 screws. Users appreciate the sturdy aluminum mounting plate and simple wiring setup, although the mounting holes require precise cutting. It's a practical solution that balances strength with ease of use. If you're after a reliable switch panel that combines multiple functions with solid protection and a waterproof design, this product is worth a look. It streamlines your electrical system while keeping everything safe and accessible. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's control center.